everyone, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to explore you to the city of Auckland. Sit back and relax and watch the whole video. I'm going to speak English throughout my video. Yeah, I'm trying to speak English throughout my video so others can understand me. So my friend and I decided to go to CBD to explore the city proper of Auckland and see the famous Sky Tower there. If you are a solo traveler or a person who don't have a car yet like me, I think Auckland is the best place for you because the public transport is very accessible. This is what the 80 hop card looked like. So I bought mine at the Pack and Save here in Papakura, but you can also purchase that one in any bus station or train station across Auckland. You can download the application of My 80 Hop in any Apple Store or Play Store on your Android phone. Then you need to load it up so you can use it as a payment type for when you are riding bus or train here in Auckland. So this is what it looks like. After loading it up, you need to tag on before entering bus or train, and after getting out of the train or bus, you need to tag off again. So let's begin my tour to the city of Auckland. Sorry for the video, we were running that time because we are trying to catch up the coming train. So you need to be here in a station before the train comes. You need to tag on first before riding a bus or a train. So you just need to tag on before your ride, like this one. But if you don't have an 80 hop card, you can just buy a ticket in a train station. When the train doors is open, you can just go inside and choose your seat whenever you like. I monitored my travel using a Google map. So every train station, the train will stop and the door will open to get some passenger from different stations. So once you are on your destination, you can just go out of the train and don't forget to tag off again. So we are here in Britomart train station. So this is the Auckland City or the CBD that they're talking about. So for the newbie, or if you're a first time here in CBD, you can see the tag off machine right after you ride on that escalator. So yeah, there's a heaps of tag off machine right up there. So you just walk through on that and ride on that escalator. So once you go out of that train station, you can now see the beauty of the CBD or the Auckland City. So yeah, it was a before Christmas we went there with my friends, and yeah, there's a Christmas musical event like that. You can just walk around and have a tour to the city of Auckland. So after the long walk, we decided to eat in one of the famous Korean restaurants. We also went to the coffee club to try their food. So these are what we ordered. So these are the photo compilation of my Auckland City tour. You can see the Sky Tower right at my back. So here is the close-up look of the famous Sky Tower. So this is my pretty friend Joanne. So after CBD we went to Dressmart Onihonga to buy shoes, and yeah, you got it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. Thank you once again and have a good day. Bye.